Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your character within the Tekken 3 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tekken 3 game on your device, and after running the game, you will be taken into the main menu. Now from this page, you can choose from whichever game mode you wish to play, and after you choose the game mode, you can choose from the various different characters available within the game. Now when you choose your character, you can choose from either one of the 4 buttons that are available, which is the triangle, cross, circle, and square button on PlayStation, or the A, S, Z, or X button. Depending on which button you press, you will be able to use alternate outfits that are available for each character. For instance, if you have chosen Jin as your character, then this character will either have a full-bodied outfit if you press on one button while choosing this character, and you may also get an alternate version of the character in which Jin Kazama doesn't have a shirt. So based on which key you press while you choose your character, you will be able to choose from the different available character outfits. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the appearance of your character on the Tekken 3 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.